So today we're taking a tour around Dorado with a realtor friend of mine, and you're coming with us. So today I'm here in Dorado with Ana Dumar, who is a luxury realtor in town, and she is going to show us around all the great neighborhoods to live in. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's start with Dorado Beach.
Oh, perfecto.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got Dorado Beach on the right.
And Los Paseos on the left. After this entrance that goes to Los Paseos, we are going to cross, you see, to go under the bridge. And we start with Dorado Beach East on both sides.
The plantations, the condos, what are those going for these
2
days?
million.
2 million and up?
Yes, and a penthouse 5 million. But there is
Wow.
nothing, so that is an approximate price, but we don't have listings. But it was more or less the last sales in the area.
Whoa.
Now we are going into Dorado Beach East.
This is beautiful. What do these houses go for?
7 million. It all depends on the house, the location. In this market is 2 million. That is the hangar.
The what?
It was used for planes.
Oh.
In the past, and now it has, you see, just for children to enjoy,
yeah.
with a beautiful swimming pool.
So, looks like the tennis courts.
Yes. So this is a neighborhood, a private neighborhood.
Estates.
This is art exhibition. Yes.
Cool.
Okay, here is the hotel environment.
Such a low-key entrance.
The big ficus survived the hurricane that you can see there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the
Huge.
beautiful tree.
That is a beautiful
Strong
tree.
enough. And here you can see the ocean.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
Here it's connected to Plantation through a tunnel we cannot see. But if you see, there's
Oh,
a way.
yeah.
And it goes under the street.
Oh, how nice.
So with a golf cart, you can go to Plantation, to the beach, to Dorado Beach. Everything is connected. This is, you see, the watermill park.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Nice. Children love it.
I think the adults do, too.
Oh, yes. And the very nice gym we have here in Plantation is over there, the tennis courts. See?
Yeah.
And at the back is Dorado Beach East that
Ah.
we cannot see, but it's there.
What's the name of the restaurant now?
Melao and Panela. We have two.
Oh, there's two. Okay.
Yes. Very good service.
Can the public still come to lunch here?
I think that at this moment, due to the COVID, they cannot. But it's always good to call and find out.
Yeah.
And this is Plantation, the apartments.
Yeah, beautiful. Do you know what they rent for?
Over 10,000.
Wow.
They have a garage.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. And this is the Enclave, the new development.
Oh. pretty, very modern.
Very modern, beautiful houses. Exquisite design. You see high ceilings, a lot of light inside. We are going to have a farm with horses.
Okay, now
Coming
that's
soon.
exciting.
Yeah, that's
And
coming soon.
out back there,
Yes.
so fresh produce and
Yes.
animals.
Yes.
And super exciting.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So would you say Dorado Beach is the nicest neighborhood in Puerto Rico?
In Puerto Rico. Yes, no doubt. Life in Dorado is different from any other places on the island. It's a community, it's a neighborhood, it's a city, it's a resort. It has a good combination of everything and is welcoming to families. See, it's a different, we have a slogan here, it's Dorado, where life is beautiful, donde la vida es bella. And I believe it's like that. You see, we came here 23 years ago for 2 years and we fall in love with the island, we fall in love with Dorado.
Yeah.
We stayed here. This is great. It's great for the family, it's great for everything. It's a resort. You have the perfect combination. So now we are going to enter Los Paseos.
All right.
It's a very nice community. There are 7 paseos, 7 gated communities, and they are all combined into this big paseo. That's the name. This is Paseo Las Palmas, the one with the white roofs. There are only 38 houses, and they are 2-level homes.
So what are these houses going for now?
Near the million.
$1 million?
A million, yes.
Oh my goodness.
There is nothing for sale. The last one was sold over 800,000 and prices went up since. But there are not many for sale because there are only 38 houses.
Wow.
The lots are
Tennis court?
average of 1,000 square meters.
Oh yeah, there's a little pool.
Yes.
Nice.
So this is Paseo Las Palmas. We have this big roundabout that connects all the paseos. You see, this is the entrance to Paseo Las Olas. It's smaller houses, but very nice. All the houses are 2 stories, and the lots, the average is 500 square meters. It's very quiet, family oriented, very safe. You see, there is double entrance, security at the entrance and security here. We
Right.
cannot enter because we don't have a listing here.
That's
So
fine.
I'm not authorized to enter, but you have an idea. All of them have the gazebo with a pool, tennis court. This is a bit older than Paseo Las Olas. The same concept.
Yeah.
And Paseo Los Corales 1 and 2, they are the newest ones. We're going there. And they have a small gym in the common areas as well. Very nice neighborhoods. And this is Paseo Real, the first one that was built.
How much did these go for?
Starting in the high 300,000 up
Mm-hmm.
in the high. Yes, it all depends what paseo, the land, the improvements. Here you have Paseo Los Corales 1. They started building this one, and there are also houses 1 and 2 levels. And this is the other exit. You see, we entered through 693 and we are leaving through Efron Avenue. And we're going to drive by the new hospital that is coming to Dorado. It's going to be a Johns Hopkins hospital.
Wow.
It's a very, you see, state-of-the-art hospital. Not very big, but with all the facilities, all you need.
Right.
And Sabanara is going to have another exit that is coming here. This new roundabout, you see?
Oh, I see. So the other side of Sabanara.
Yes, you see that it's going to be here. You can see there
Mm-hmm.
the hospital. Opened in 1921, this year.
So is Sabanara almost built out?
Well, they are still building.
So they have more room.
Yes. You see? This is.
Oh yeah, it's a nice building.
Yes.
So that'll bring a lot of doctors to the area.
Yes. Yes, very, very nice.
That'll be good for home prices.
This is the back of Los Corrales. There's nothing, not a lot to see.
Right. Good
But for
protection.
you to see, you see
Right.
the construction. And we have to go, there is another entrance to Dorado Beach East here at the back.
Oh,
Let's get there and turn around.
okay.
There is no other way out.
It's the backside of Sabanara.
Yes.
That'll make it so much easier to get to Amigo
Yes.
and Starbucks.
And Starbucks. Very important.
Very important.
And KGB.
KGB, most
Our
important.
panaderia. Yes.
See. So when you tell people that you live in Dorado, they just automatically assume that you're rich. But there are some neighborhoods that are very modestly priced, aren't there? I mean,
There is a bit of everything. It's a good combination, you see.
so if you were to live like a local and just buy it, you know, in a cheap area of Dorado in a cheap house, like what does that cost?
Maybe 100,000, you see, it depends. Again, we go back to where the house is located, what the house has,
Right.
how old it is, what remodelations it has.
Yeah.
So it's difficult to say just, you see, a house is this or that.
Right.
Okay, this is the entrance to Sabanara,
Okay.
and I want to show you Tassie School. But you see, we need the other entrance because look, we have
Oh
to
my
wait.
goodness. Yeah.
So here we
A bit
have
of a
to
lineup.
stop for a while and wait. See, you can see a bit of the school.
Yeah. Is this the top private school in Puerto Rico, or is that debatable?
It's one, you see, one of the best.
So we couldn't get into Sabanara today because there are too many cars. But what are the amenities they have in there?
Oh, they have a very nice gym. They have Café La Pergola, that is a convenience store.
Oh, nice.
And you can have, you see, from coffee, tea, and to buy whatever you need. You see, you forgot to buy at the supermarket, you have it there. Excellent produce, excellent service, high quality, very nice.
And most of the homes are single story, aren't they?
They are all, yes.
And what
here.
do they start at?
500,000 up.
Wow. They've gone up.
But they are very nice houses, very, you see, with nice lots. The neighborhood is very nice and it's very convenient for people who have their children in taxis.
Right. And if I recall, there's miles of walking trails in there.
Yes, yes. And there is also, there are lakes. You can use the kayak. Yes, it's very, very nice. It's very like living in paradise again.
Yeah.
You see. The lifestyle is family oriented, community. You see, it's very nice. The people are very friendly. The security is great. The children can walk in the street, can ride bicycles, can go in the golf cart. It's very, very nice. It's
Close to the freeway, too.
yes, yes. And now with the new entrance, going to be close to the supermarket. They say a new restaurant is coming. You see,
Nice.
lots of new things are coming to Puerto Rico and to Dorado.
All right, here's a question for you.
Uh-huh.
Why Dorado over Palmas del Mar?
I think mainly because of the distance. You see, it's very easy to get to San Juan to the airport from Dorado. I think it's not so easy from Palmas,
Yeah.
but it's also a very nice choice. It's a different lifestyle.
Yeah.
You see, it's just a question of choosing which one you like best.
Right.
In Dorado you have Taxis School and you have access to the schools in Guaynabo, in San Juan. So you see, for families it is easier
Yeah.
to live here. Okay, here we have CVS, we have a mall with a supermarket, and here we have Walgreens.
Yeah.
We have the entrance to Dorado del Mar, you know that very well.
Yeah.
That is the entrance to Quintas that you were mentioning earlier.
Those start at 200,000.
Yeah,
Go
or
up.
about that. It's an average price. Then you see, as I told you, depending on the condition of the house, maybe more, less.
Right.
So let me take you to the public beach,
Oh, great.
so you can see.
I always thought this neighborhood in here was interesting too, because you've got that mix of business on the main road, but you've got those large properties kind of inside.
Yes. This is very nice. You see, there are many B&B, you see, here.
Mm-hmm.
Short-term rentals, because people come to the beach. Here we start having all these little places where you can have typical food.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. At night it's full of
Cute.
people, you see.
Yeah.
Outside, here you have this one too.
Oh yeah.
Very, very nice.
I used to love to come to one down here. I don't know if it's still here. The Vaca. Oh yeah, La Vaca.
La Vaca Enfurecida.
Yeah, we love this place. We
Yeah.
love the saddle chairs. I wonder if they still have those.
You can eat very nice, typical food, a lot of seafood at reasonable prices, delicious cooking. This is the beach.
Yeah. Does this place still operate on the sand there?
I think so, yes.
We used to come there for the $2 Coronas. Okay, Anna, this has been fantastic. Thank you for showing me all around Dorado and giving us the scoop on the prices. Anybody who needs real estate assistance in Dorado, Ana Dumar, she's your gal. I'll put her contact information in the description below. And thank you very much.
It was a pleasure. So welcome to Dorado, and you see anything you need, let me know and I'll try to do my best to help you out.
Fantastic. All right. See you next time.
See you.